Our Thai foods.
Seafoods, chickens, pad thai.
This is pad thai.
Liver. This is fried rice.
Rice with seafood.
Seafood.
This,
What is this, Georgi?
shrimp. I think
Black
it's
rice?
No, it's a sentai. It's kun,
Kun.
pamuk. Don't not speak.
What is this, Shaira?
I don't know. I will try. Also.
This is spicy. He said it's very spicy.
No, it's spicy but sweet.
Oh, it's spicy.
Ah,
sweet.
spicy and sweet.
Spicy, sweet. Chilies.
Okay, you
I will try first.
try, yeah. Why you move?
Masarapчик.
What, Shaira?
It's like chicharon in Philippines, but
But chicharron in Philippines is pig skin. But it's not pig skin, it's different.
I don't know.
You don't know what is this?
Have in the bus or in the park, they always buy, in the plastic.
Yes, I know. Chicharron. Same.
Uh-huh. That's same.
For good taste, you try this one. Can you say spicy or not?
Мы-то понимаем, что эфир будет дороже битка.
Катализация. Да, катализация.
Good for lalaki. For lalaki то и то.
Georgi sleep, he drinks kraton. Kraton is one kraton.
Like chips.
Шамай должен быть тем, там стоит.
This
Leo
this
kraton.
yeah,
Leo-
Georgi sleep already.
Really?
Yes.
Ну, пока вытащишь.
Okay, it's okay.
Because
Yes,
you get high. Get high.
Get high, yes?
Same last night.
No, last night not the same.
Now, after
Тебе приезжал?
after kratom.
Я отзыв,
Now
Это что?
sunset
Меня нет.
here. Pattaya.
Где? Где?
Oh, Half-Life.
But before you say me so.
Красивая девушка. Beautiful girl, you say?
Супер поклон. О, кратоша.
Kraton. I know.
Юра еще
Special
есть
condom.
Drag, you have blog on YouTube. Drag,
Флаг.
you have blog on YouTube. Stream video for YouTube channel.
It's Philippine YouTube channel. Philippine, not Thai.
You have 30,000 subscribers. You will be superstar.
двигайтесь,
Ay, may magkaay.
Какой, да?
Shaira, why you say bad words always?
двигайтесь туда.
Because you little bit moon down.
Ай, маки.
О мой Бога.
She's красивая девушка.
О, принципе.
Shaira speak Russian. Красивая девушка, and it's a Russian language, beautiful girl.
I'm not lying.
So it's your girlfriend,
Yes.
Thai girlfriend. How old she?
Are you alive?
28.
28. Same Shaira. Shaira also 28.
Soon, 29.
29 in September.
Also, she have number 15 at the birthday. 15 March.
Ah, she have 15 September.
September only. 15. Oh.
Same 15.
But you are younger.
I'm not young. Yes, I'm the younger one.
But you look more young.
No, we're the same age.
Same age, yes, same. She is also 28.
Oh.
20.
And 15. September only 15. 15 year. 15 March 9. We're younger.
Yes. Virgin.
Ah!
Oh.
What?
No, it's English. I don't know English.
Бола-бола.
Bola bola.
Only Polish.
Nicholas cook today. What you cook?
We cook crocodile.
туда и зачем? А это был как бы...
My friend,
Они
Сорок третий, что
они
ли?
все раньше слышал сюда, рижский бальзам.
Manan, for business.
Так, ну,
It's
его
for your
можно
business?
взять и
Yes.
You sell this one?
Yes, I do.
голова осталась.
Nicholas, how much? How much is this? Who is this guy?
It's just like owner.
Father, brother.
It's been owner.
It's real money?
Yes.
Really? It's USSR money? Real money?
It's with Lenin. It's just like old 1950, like this, with, 70 years old.
Philippines, if you see like this, you put some points.
And things
How much? How
Working.
much?
35 euro.
35 euro? It's good quality.
All time.
Yes.
This seems like a mafia.
Mafia.
Mafia have money.
Mafia в Москве.
Yes.
Now
Same-
very fashion.
Same mafia have money.
Mafia put money in
yes,
this.
yes. In movie,
Case.
yeah.
Case of money.
But now
Nicholas Mafia.
this fashion come again back. People, and you have something, your clothes, or you put inside,
Look like
put some, it look nice at home.
mafia and bodyguard take money.
This t-shirt can fit this out of her. This t-shirt.
You already tried.
I tried this one. This
You
In
also
the
try
Philippines, she tried already wear with clothes.
maybe you fit
ah,
Rest from doll.
that? Maybe you next.
Because
Sister
he,
Shaira.
he bought in the Philippines.
Anytime, Sister Shaira.
it. I tried already.
One more?
No.
Shaira with Guncha. Guncha from
I
Latvia.
tried that one. It's good.
And Shaira from Philippines. No say my mama.
yes.
Что такое?
Some ship
Potato
in
chips.
Philippines.
А,
I like yes.
Same Lay's.
And I buy this from back Thailand.
Lay's hefty.
в пакетах, как чипсы.
From
In packet.
potato. Yes, but
А в
this
России же
small,
тоже, у нас в
small,
Латвии. Помнишь, что я сказал?
Yummy.
Мелко нареженные картофельки.
Ну что-то было.
Ой, как
I
вкусно.
like same this one, yes. I
Adikat.
like same this, yes. White, I forget name. Same like a potato, lay, same like a lay.
Супер
This
поклон.
alloy in Philippines.
I will try.
Very, very, very yummy.
Лео кротом. Лео.
I buy from Thailand. Very big pack.
Кротом can help. Peace in the world. Кротом. Money.
Yes, same is blue.
Мистер Чип.
Yes, same about this.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
I like
Show
this.
Shaira.
This Mr. Chips.
In Thailand don't have.
Yes, I buy to bring to Thailand from Philippines. And we like soup what name soup? You like?
Там есть размер груза. Смотри потом, скрин сделай. Размер.
What soup Shaira in the Philippines popular?
Lucky me. Soup.
No.
Валера, как суп ты мне рекламировал?
With pork.
Филиппинский.
Сенегал.
Yes,
Булало?
Sinigang, yes.
Синеган.
Yes.
Синеган
We
soup.
like
Кидока
that.
сауэр.
Yes.
Кидока
Синеган,
сауэр.
Синеган.
Синеган.
No, we eat is
She
very yummy. Yes, I
I
like
can
it.
cook for you.
Сенегал.
Yes, we always eat that.
You want? I can cook for you.
Синеган very
But need prepare, we don't have foods
I
now.
can cook for you. You want?
long.
And adobo.
You cannot go to another city tomorrow.
Thailand have
She go to another city tomorrow. Because we planning to come back and she can cook Filipino foods.
Он не перечислил.
She want to...
Sinigang you want?
Yes, I like it.
Sinigang
What
beef.
with food?
Beef? Синеган beef?
Food or?
Sinigang beef.
Okay.
Джави.
Because I cook there in my place. I use only tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato only.
No.
For sinigang. But I need that.
Senegal
powder.
put inside this.
Huh?
Sorrel. What is sorrel, Shaira? I don't know.
You don't
But
know.
I like to
Хочет
I like
но он
to
так не будет
chili.
переводить.
Cannot.
So
I like
Translate.
to with chili.
Кислый
Spicy.
щавель.
Always I ask for
Ну, не
spicy.
в английском, не в тайском
Because when
такого
I
слова.
order in Philippines, yesterday, it's not spicy. I just ask more
Сейчас,
chili.
да, вообще, вот бабунсас, ну, и так, вот,
Then more better.
Shaira, what you
I
eat,
also
Shaira?
like it.
Кидок
It's
бомб.
fried rice
Как
with
моя мама говорит.
Вот мне тоже
chicken
мама
and
такое.
then
Может, у нас мама одна?
patay
Там.
А,
Что это? Продаю всю хуйню. Может, мы родственники?
and chili little bit.
Братуха.
chili little bit, okay.
Может, по супу определяем?
Okay, you can eat all.
Она
Okay, Shaira.
воспитанная девочка, она все, что предложит, скажет очень точно.
Shaira, you can see in the Thailand driver license is different, is separate.
Ну, видите, отсюда.
Take a look. This is driver license for car,
Ну, как бы мы ему радуемся, что ветер.
for car, but for motor driver license is separate, different driver license in the Thailand. But in the Philippines it's one driver license with
One only driver license
Yes.
Я
and
понял.
motor and car, but in Thailand the driver license is separate motor
Давай,
and cars.
береги себя, да, давай.
Nicholas want to exchange driver license. He said need to this requirement. Shaira, don't have here karaoke. Don't have microphone. Ah, this is a Filipina song. What name of song?
Ang Buhay Ko by Aegis.
I know this song.
If I have karaoke only there to be.
Yeah. Only music you can. Only music here. Hi everyone. It's already morning, night.
Hi everyone, it's already 1 a.m. and we just finished here in our friend and it's already late and we need to go home. This is our friend.
Nicholas from
Bye.
Latvia.
Bye. Yes, I'm here. I'm still alive.
Yes, you know this guy? It's our friend. He's so friendly.
And tomorrow we will go together to the music festival, and after we going to maybe walking street or bars, I don't know, with our friends also. Thank you for watching.